Expect higher electricity rates this month as the National Grid Corporation of the Philippines announced a hike in ancillary service rates, even as transmission wheeling charges have decreased. According to NGCP, wheeling charges dropped by 3.14% from January to March. However, due to a 5.05% increase in ancillary service charges, total electricity costs for consumers have gone up.
Kapag tumataas yung demand, so medyo bumababa yung rates ng transmission. In terms of the ancillary, hindi namin masasabi.
Due to extreme heat, electricity demand surged to 12,467 megawatts, exceeding the DOE's forecast of 11,870 megawatts.
Historically, naglalaro ng mga 5 to 6% yung increase sa Luzon. Normally, peaks during May for Luzon. And based on last year, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao, talagang may lahat dahil nga sa heat index.
Maraming paraan kung bakit affected ang energy security natin pag umiinit ang panahon. Unang-una, pag mainit ang panahon, tataas ang gamit mo. Mas malaki ang kailangang enerhiya para mapalamig from a high temperature para maibalik dun sa ideal temperature natin. No? So, yun, the machines work harder.
Besides higher consumption, unplanned outages at power plants have strained supply, forcing greater reliance on ancillary services.
Very critical talaga sa power security yung pagpasok ng committed plants. Kaya ang panawagan natin talaga is kahit papaano bawasan yung pagtaas ng konsumo. So 2 factors, pumasok yung committed. Pangalawa, sana walang maging unplanned maintenance shutdown.
When asked about the worst-case scenario this summer, NGCP warned of possible power shortages.
The worst case is we will see red and yellow alerts within the year. Ngayon, kung kailan yan mangyayari at kung gaano yung extent at severity ng magiging alerts na yan, hindi pa natin masasabi sa ngayon dahil yan yung pinag-uusapan namin with the Department of Energy.
Sujin Kim, Billionaire News Channel.